my baby.
Documents were in place. Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Hey, you just wake up from your nap?
Venus. Venus. Venus!
Hi, can I get a drink?
Sorry, he's new.
Allowed on the bed, you. No!
Darius. Darius.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Hi, I'm just here to check in for my appointment.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
You can have this back. No thank you. No thanks.
Get off. Talk shit. Talk shit. Do not.
Miles, what are you doing?
No bite.
Venus. Venus. Venus!
What's wrong?
I'm ready for adoption? Hell no.
Okay. Stevie. No. Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids.
Fuck, is that right?
Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
Sometimes you can be a bit of a jerk himself.
Mercedes, show everyone how you smile.
Cannot go turkey hunting with me.
What's wrong?
What do you want?
Oh, that's not a ball. That.
Love you.
Online privacy protection. Free from Discover.
Oh, yeah. Beaver cuddles? Oh, I'm sorry. I'll go over here.
Oh, now she's gonna sit between us. Oh, man.
Maddie, don't bite Dad.
That is not nice.
Let me try.
What is this? Is this your food? Yeah.
Scout?
No! What the fuck? Hello, baby! Oh!
If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
Are you happy? Show me your smile.
Let me throw it.
I'm ready for a Johnson? Hell no.
You're my little good boy, baby. You're my little good boy.
You're a good boy. That's it, you're a good boy. That's it.
I can't walk. Whoa. Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy? You
Raider wants to say hi.
Don't touch that. You retired, man. You don't work no more, bro. You ain't no police dog no more, bro. Leave it alone, bro. Let the smell get past you.
We thank you for serving each other and
Look, it's the donut truck. We gotta go get it. When I get into stuff is you can find stuff. What is it in the world? Is she keeping in her closet?
Did you just wake up from your nap?
Hey, Mom, you ready for bed? Getting a little tired.
Venus. Venus. Venus!
documents were in place. Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Wake up. Wakey, wakey.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello. What is this? Is this your food? Yeah. You gotta let me get the water ready for you first before you can take a bath. Yeah.
Are you gonna bite me?
So?
Excuse me. Tim.
Get off of me.
What are you two doing? But what are you doing? What?
If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
I'm ready for adoption? Hell no.
Questi bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
Hi. Can I touch you?
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Go to grandma's later? Yeah? You wanna go to grandma's?
Hello, mate. Do you do puncture repairs?
I can't walk past this snake. I can't walk. Whoa.
What's wrong?
Hey, what happened? Look at the, oh, look at the,
Your sore foot. Oh, you poor. I'll be right back. Move your nose.
High five. Too slow.
come here. You are not hurt. Come here.
What's wrong? Give me your paw. Let me see. Oh, no.
So good. Allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah.